Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is about full removal and installation of timing belt, tensioner, plunger, tensioner bearing checking, and timing belt cover installation. This is a very important maintenance procedure because incorrect timing belt installation can damage the engine. So let's start step by step. Before starting, make sure engine is off and cool, battery negative terminal disconnected, proper tools are ready, required tools, socket set, spanner set, screwdriver, torque wrench, timing belt kit, jack and stand, marker or chalk, cleaning cloth. Always follow safety procedures. First, remove the timing belt cover. 1. Remove engine cover if installed. 2. Remove bolts of timing belt cover. 3. Carefully remove upper timing cover. 4. Remove lower timing cover. 5. Keep bolts safely. Now the timing belt system is visible. So this is step 1. Step 2, set engine to top dead center, TDC, now rotate the crankshaft slowly, align crankshaft timing mark, align camshaft timing mark, ensure both marks match, this position is called top dead center, TDC. This step is very important to avoid engine damage. Step 3, remove timing belt, now remove the timing belt. 1. Loosen tensioner bolt. 2. Release tensioner pressure. 3. Remove timing belt slowly. 4. Remove from camshaft. 5. Remove from crankshaft, do not rotate engine. After removing belt, step 4, remove tensioner and plunger, now remove tensioner. 1. Remove tensioner mounting bolt. 2. Remove tensioner. 3. Remove plunger. 4. Inspect components, clean the mounting area. Step 5, check tensioner bearing, now check tensioner bearing, check points, rotate bearing by hand, check smooth rotation, no noise, no vibration, no looseness, no oil leakage. If bearing is noisy or rough, replace it. A damaged tensioner can destroy the timing belt. 1. Crankshaft gear. 2. Idler. 3. Camshaft gear. 4. Tensioner, ensure timing marks are still aligned, timing belt must be tight and correctly seated. Step 6, install plunger, now install plunger. 1. Compress plunger slowly. 2. Lock plunger with pin. 3. Install plunger in position. 4. Tighten bolt properly, make sure plunger is aligned correctly. Step 7, install tensioner, now install tensioner. 1. Place tensioner in mounting position. 2. Install mounting bolt. 3. Tighten using torque wrench. 4. Ensure proper alignment, do not release plunger yet. Step 8, install new timing belt, now install timing belt. Step 9, release plunger, now release plunger. 1. Remove locking pin. 2. Plunger applies pressure. 3. Tensioner tightens belt, check belt tension. Step 10, rotate engine and recheck timing, now rotate engine manually, rotate crankshaft 2 times, check timing marks again, ensure alignment, if timing is correct, continue. Step 11, install timing belt cover, now install timing belt cover. 1. Install lower cover. 2. Install upper cover. 3. Tighten bolts. 4. Install engine cover, make sure all bolts are tight. Final check, reconnect battery, start engine, check, no abnormal noise, smooth running, no vibration, proper timing, engine is now ready. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please, like, share, subscribe, turn on notification, more automotive tutorials are coming.